Hi guys, I hope you are fine. Me too, I'm fine. So let's go now direct to our topic for today. And I read the question. Derive the terms used in arithmetic progression, that is, these terms. So guys, we come and say, as you can see, this is nth term is equals to that. And the number of the sum of the n terms is equals to that. So the first thing guys is that we define what is AP. And the AP, that is arithmetic progression, these are series, let me put it there. These are series that have a constant difference. And the example for that is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Because when you look at it, guys, you know that this is now going to be, the difference is here is 1, here is 1, and here is 1. And so that is an example of arithmetic progression series. So guys, from there, let's now come to another example down below here. Let's look at an example down below here. And this example we are going to give is yet another example. Here, I can say another arithmetic progression. We have 2. I can say plus 3, which is 5, plus 3, which is 8, and plus 3 is 11. And then we can continue on and on up to another number, which is, we call it nth term. So that this one is the first term. We have the second term there. We have the third term there. We have the fourth term. We have the fifth. And we can continue on and on. Fifth is somewhere there. We have 6th here. And then we can go even to nth term. So this one we can actually cancel it because there are many terms here. In between here there are many terms. So from there guys, we say let's say the first term we are talking about, which is 2, be equal to A. That one we call it first term. And then let 3, which now we are calling, this is a constant difference. We call it D. This is constant difference. Remember guys that these are unknown. 3 is known, but D is unknown. So this D can stand in for any other number apart from 3. But as of now, let it start for 3. And from there guys, we come here and say, for us to get 5, we had to say 2 plus 3. And for us to get 8, we say 2 plus 3 plus 3. Like that. For us to get 11, you say 2 plus 3 plus 3 and plus 3 again. Like that. And so guys, if I now come here I have said that let 2 be equal to A. So this 2 is now going to give us A. We have A there. Coming to this position, we have A plus D now. Then we come here, we have A plus, this D are supposed to be D plus D is 2D. Like that. Coming to this position, we have A, because as you can see, this is A, and these are D's, which are 3. So this one is going to be 3D. Like that. So guys, when we now come to that position, we now come and compare this, because now we want to find what is supposed to be here now. Guys, for the first instant, for these figures here, we can say that this 3 compare with 4, this 2 you compare with 3, this one is supposed to be 1 here, because it's 1D, compare with the 2. The first thing for us to fill up here is that we know that the first term here must be A. It's always A. You can see here is A, here is A, there is A here. And so therefore here we have A. Plus, now if you look at this, we have 3, which is less by 1 from 4. So even this one is going to be less by 1, which is n minus 1. And then we put our D, like that. And so guys, we've been able now to derive that, such that now we know nth term, which is this, is supposed to be that. Nth term equals to A plus n minus 1 D. So guys, we've been able to find that. Guys, let's continue now. We continue with these numbers, guys, and see what happens down here. I can come and write, we want now to find the sum of these numbers. The sum will be 2. We have plus 5, plus 8, plus 11, like that. Let's now, first of all, not consider that. We just consider the numbers that we know. So this is the first number, second, third, and the fourth. So if we add these numbers, guys, we get is actually supposed to be 26. You can add and see. And now, guys, let's come and do this. We now revert. This 11, we put it here. We put them in the reverse here. So now I start with 11 there. I put 8 there. I put 5. And then I put 2. So let's see what happens if I were to add them here. But remember, the sum of the numbers we are looking for is actually 26. So I will put a line there. Add there is 13, plus 13, plus 13, plus 13. So this is going to be, if you add that, you get 52. And that is given by 13 multiplied by 4. Like that. And you can see this 4 is the same 4 here. Guys, then you divide here by 2 now. You are now going to get 26. And that's how you find our area. So guys, we use the same format to get our, not area, but our sum. So we come and now put, just like we have put, this is our first term. Our first term here was A. Then it was followed by A plus D. It was followed by A plus 2D. Then A plus 3D. Like that. Let me put them this way. Remember, we are supposed to add them like that. And so, and here we have the final one, which is supposed to be here. And this is, now this one we can put some dots there. So until we come to a plus n minus 1d, like that. So guys, just I have brought this 11 on this side, I'll bring this on this side. So when it comes to on this side, it will be a plus n minus 1d. And guys, trust me that whatever answer we get here will be similar for all of them. So even without further ado, whatever answer we get here will be the same for all. And remember, here we have n terms. That's the first, we have the second, we have the third, we have the fourth, and then here we have several terms until we come to the nth term. So guys, we can add this. If we add that, we'll get 2a plus n minus 1d. That's what we are going to get as our answer for that. If guys we come to this, let's try this and see what we shall get. We shall have a plus d, and then the number we put here will be a plus n now minus 2, because that number that was here before this one should have n minus 2, because remember that this number is less by 1 from n, so this one will be less by 2. So if you add this guys, you'll get here you have d. So you have a plus d plus a plus d plus, again we have a plus, let's take away the bracket there, you'll have nd minus 2d, like that. So that finally here we shall have a plus n is 2a. Here we have plus d plus nd minus 2d. So this one finally we have 2a. For d and d is going to be plus d minus 2d. We shall have minus d, then plus nd, like that. So guys, we can actually come here and be able now to factor out. That is 2a. Then we can actually reverse. We put this one here so that we have plus nd minus d, like that. And so that guys, we are going to have 2a plus d n minus 1. So guys, as you can compare this and that, and you can see they are the same. After that guys, you can see after we got our answer 13 here, we multiply by 4, and 4 were the number of terms. For the number of terms we have is n. So guys, we are going to multiply 2a plus n minus 1d. We multiply that by n. After guys, we multiplied by n, which was 4 in this case, we had to divide by 2 to get our real sum of the numbers. And that's what we do here guys. So we come and divide this by 2. So guys, as you can see now, then we are going to have sum is equals to n all over 2a plus n minus 1 d to bracket like that. So guys, this is our solution. So guys, bye bye.